We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about Follow Me tool in SketchUp. Follow Me tool leads a face along a path to create a 3D shape. The Follow Me tool enables you to draw complex 3D models within a few clicks. Here, I will show an example of Follow Me tool. You can access this tool under Edit to Toolbar. If Edit to Toolbar is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in Toolbar menu under View tab. First, draw a path and profile. This is our path drawing top view. This is our profile drawn perpendicular to path. The profile drawn in front view. Then select the path. And click on Follow Me tool. Select the profile. Now you can see the profile is following that entire path. If the profile need not follow the entire path, please follow this procedure. First, click on Follow Me tool. Then select the profile and drag along the path and stop where you want. Thanks for watching this video.